What's the first thing I do in the morning? I go to the windows to see if it is raining. I like to count the passengers on the street and the windows on the buildings. I am living in the ceramic studio since... Oh. Can we start again? I am living in the ceramic studio since I was born. Life is not so bad here because you can hide in the pots or jump into the pocket of the cloak. Are you filming? Oh. What should I be doing? It's only me living here, and the guys from the second shelf. How do you do? Yes, there is a bathroom here. I know one song. Do you want me to sing it? Okay. I forgot the lyrics, so I will hum it, okay? Here we go.